Hello, YouTube people. This is a strange little machine. I saw this 5-inch black and white TV on eBay, and I thought, man, that'd make kind of a nice little retro computer. So I obtained it and gave it a paint job, put a reset button on it, put a USB port on it, stuck an activity light and a power light on it. It's got a speaker, so it does all the sounds, and just using a regular USB keyboard connected to it. And it's not a bad looking machine. It's got a little carry handle right there. It's really nothing else to say about it. Got a volume button down there, and I just like the way that it looked in my imagination, and so I constructed it, and it turned out pretty good, I think. If you guys got any comments or questions, feel free to post them below, and I guess start Frogger.